Alright, picture this. You're rolling down the highway, wind in your face, and suddenly, a spaceship disguised as a motorcycle zooms past you. Oh wait, that's not a UFO, that's the 2025 Harley-Davidson Street Glide. And guess what? It's finally here, and we're about to break it down in the funniest, most brutally honest way possible. Buckle up, folks, it's gonna be a wild ride. Hey, Biker's Choice fam. It's your two-wheeled troublemaker back again, bringing you the hottest, baddest, and most ridiculously over-the-top bikes the world has to offer. And today, we're talking about something big. No, not my bad financial decisions. We're talking about the brand new 2025 Harley-Davidson Street Glide. You know Harley, right? The brand that makes bikes so loud they can wake up your ancestors. Yeah, well, they just dropped a bombshell, and we're here to dissect every inch of it. Grab your popcorn, sit tight, and let's see if this beast is actually worth your hard-earned cash, or if you should just buy a slightly used kidney off eBay instead. First impressions, is this even legal? Alright, first things first. What does this thing even look like? Imagine the classic street glide, muscular, aggressive, and dripping with attitude, but now with a modern, futuristic twist. They've shaved off some weight, added some curves, and, hold on, did Harley just give us more aerodynamics? Oh, so now they care about physics. After decades of making bricks with engines, and let's talk about that headlight. It's got this sleek LED setup that makes it look like the bike is permanently judging your life choices. You really needed that extra cheese pizza, huh? But hey, it's Harley, and they do things big. And let's be real, this thing looks mean, powerful, and just the right amount of, I don't pay my speeding tickets on time. Engine, more power or just more noise? Alright, let's get to the juicy part, the engine. Because let's be honest, we don't buy Harleys for fuel efficiency. We buy them to wake up the entire neighborhood at 2 a.m. Harley dropped their brand new Milwaukee 8117 V-twin in this beast. Translation: more power, more torque, and more chances to get pulled over for excessive noise. Expect around 110 horsepower and a torque so strong it might just twist your soul. This means you'll be leaving traffic in the dust, right up until you hit a gas station because, well, it's still a Harley. 0 to 60. Fast enough. Miles per gallon. Who cares? Sound. Illegal in 17 states. Features. Harley, are you feeling okay? Now, this is where things get weird. Harley finally stepped into the future, and honestly, we're kinda proud of them. Here's what they threw in. White heavy checkmark touchscreen infotainment system, because apparently, even bikers need to change Spotify playlists at 90 miles per hour. White heavy checkmark adaptive cruise control. Yes, you heard that right. Harley finally realized some of us actually enjoy relaxing rides and not just gripping the handlebars like our lives depend on it. White heavy checkmark keyless ignition, so now, instead of losing your keys, you can just lose your entire bike. White heavy checkmark self-canceling turn signals, because let's be real, 90% of us forget to turn those off anyway. Harley is out here acting like they discovered technology in 2025, and honestly, we're here for it. The ride, smooth or spine-breaking? So how does it ride? Well, Harley claims they improved the suspension, making it smoother than ever before. And yes, they actually gave us a better seat this time, so you don't feel like you've been sitting on a medieval torture device after an hour of riding. It's stable, powerful, and still has that iconic Harley rumble, except now, it doesn't shake your fillings loose. But let's be honest, if you buy a street glide, you already know what you're signing up for. Highway cruising. Amazing. City traffic. You'll be sweating bullets. Long rides. Say goodbye to your back. So yes, it rides like a street glide should, big, bold, and just a little bit ridiculous. Price. How many organs do I need to sell? Alright, now for the painful part, the price. This beauty will set you back around $26,000 plus, and that's before you start customizing it with $10,000 worth of Harley branded accessories you don't need but will definitely buy anyway. Is it expensive? Yes. Will it stop Harley fans from buying it? Absolutely not. Because let's be real, Harley owners don't buy bikes with logic, they buy them with their hearts, and their credit cards. Final verdict, should you buy one? Alright, so should you buy the 2025 Harley-Davidson Street Glide? White heavy checkmark yes, if you love Harleys and want the latest and greatest. White heavy checkmark yes, if you want to feel like the king of the highway. White heavy checkmark yes, if you enjoy explaining to your significant other why your bank account is suddenly empty. Cross mark no, if you think motorcycles should be quiet and fuel efficient. Cross mark no, if you're afraid of attention, because this bike will get you noticed. Cross mark no, if you were planning to save money this year. Bottom line. It's big, it's bad, and it's still unapologetically Harley. Alright, Biker's Choice fam, now it's your turn. What do you think of the new 2025 Harley-Davidson Street Glide? Is it the ultimate touring machine, or did Harley just recycle the same old formula? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And hey, if you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss more bike madness. Until next time, ride safe, ride loud, and ride like you own the road. Biker's Choice, signing off.